Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate your fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in your dashboard, you can go to your left side menu. You can go to all apps here and go to accounting section. And then you will find fixed asset. Oops, this one fixed asset. Click on it. And then you will see this dashboard. So if you have already an asset, you will see your assets here. This is my asset truck. So yeah, if you want to duplicate it, you can just go to the right side of the asset and click this icon view for action. And then you will see duplicate option here. You can click on it. Then you can give the name, maybe copy of truck or truck 2. It's up to you. Maybe like this. Then you can give the description, maybe the copy of the asset or something like that. It's up to you. And also you can change the purchase price here if you want and others option here. And then you can just click save here and it's done. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.